I don't think there are many colleges where you can study calligraphy. Morley College is one of those.
Putting letters on a sheet of paper is very liberating in a way that tapping a keyboard definitely isn't, because the letters are not simply instrumental, they're not simply a way of communicating, they have their own presence, their own materiality. The fact that you have to slow down, that you have to form the letters in a conscious way, that you have to pay attention to the differences between them, seems to fill the words that you form that way with a new meaning, which I find very important in the context of a global culture where billions of messages are passed every second.
Look around you, there is practically no object which has no lettering on. We look on screens, everywhere there is a text. What are those letters? Finding out the origins of various styles and how they travel from a manuscript into typography, and then from typography into digital world as well. Another dimension of calligraphy would be, well, it's a mindful exercise. It really needs calming down, practicing, focusing on every detail. And sometimes, 20 minutes practice can feel like a meditation.
The connection of the hand to the mind to the paper is what makes it a very enriching experience.